When you're building backlinks for a website, it's tempting to keep going back to domains that worked before. But here's the thing, search engines don't just count how many backlinks you have. They look at how many unique referring domains are linking to you. Getting 10 links from the same site again and again barely moves the needle. But getting links from 10 different sites is what actually builds trust and drives ranking. So the problem we kept seeing was that people building links for a project would accidentally reuse the same domains from our inventory again and again, which hurts diversity and slows down real SEO growth. That's exactly why we built the Link Building Blacklist. The blacklist lets you tell Rank Rover that certain domains have already been used for a project's link building, so don't show them again. Once you add a domain to the blacklist for a project, it's automatically removed from the inventory options when you're building links for that specific project. So your link profile stays diverse, organized, and duplicate free. There are two ways to use this. The first is right when you're setting up a new project. As you go through the project creation flow on the home page, there's a dedicated step where you can paste in every domain that's already been used for link building on this site. One URL or domain per line, and you can paste straight from Excel. Add them here and your blacklist is live from day one. The second way is the dedicated blacklist tab in the sidebar, and this is where you'll come back later to manage it. Just select the project you want to update from the drop-down, then paste in any new domains using the same rule of one per line. You'll also see every domain you've already blacklisted for that project, and you can edit or delete entries anytime. This separate tab is especially useful if you're an agency managing link building for multiple clients, since each project keeps its own blacklist, so you can jump in, update the right one, and stay organized without mixing up clients. So whether you set it once when you create your project or manage it anytime from the blacklist tab, Rank Rover automatically keeps those domains out of your inventory for that project. That way, every new backlink you build adds a genuinely new referring domain instead of a repeat. And that's how you get real ranking growth from your link building. Rank Rover, be seen, be trusted, be everywhere.